everyone, it's me Patrice. I am back with another video, and I created this look. Valentine's Day is around the corner and I wanted to create a look that was super easy for you guys to create, and the flowers are optional, so if you don't want to put flowers in your hair, you don't have to. But this look is very easy and you could, do it in 1, 2, 3 and be slammed for Valentine's Day. So I hope you guys enjoy this look, and if you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my video. I got my wand right here, so yeah, continue watching. So I'm going to start off by putting some EOS chapstick on. I already done my brows and applied some foundation. Okay, try to make this tutorial as quick as possible. I am going to go in with my Urban Decay Ultimate Basics palette, and I'm going to take Extra Bitter, this one, and apply that all over my lid. Then I'm going to go in with this 24-hour color tattoo, and this is in the shade Hibiscus Heartbreak, and I'm going to apply that to my bottom lid. I'm trying not to pluck out my lashes. There one went. I have this color tattoo eyeshadow pigment. I am going to apply on top, and this is in Breaking Bronze. Then what I'm going to do is go ahead on in with Lethal out of the Urban Decay Ultimate Basics palette, and I'm going to apply that into the tear duct. And then on top of that, I'm going to take the color tattoo pigment Hibiscus Heartbreak, and I'm going to apply that on top. Then I'm going to go in with another color. I'm going to apply a Moonlight directly on top of the Hibiscus color. Then I'm going to go in with Brownie Bite in Ray's palette, and I'm going to try to go directly in on the crease and above. And then I'm going to take French Toast just so I could apply some shimmer onto it. So for the bottom, I'm going to take a little bit of Lethal and a little bit of Extra Bitter, and I'm going to apply that to my lower lash line. So now that I have my face on, I decided I'm not going to go in with lashes, but I am going to put some mascara on these lashes. Hopefully nothing goes wrong, but I'm going to use the BH Cosmetics Bliss lash. I'm going to go into my highlights, and I'm going to take Mocha and Chai, and I'm going to mix those and apply that to highlight. Then apply that to my nose and my cupid's bow. A little bit up here. Then I'm going to take my V2 brush to blend everything out. Then I'm going to spray my face, and I'm going to apply a little bit of blush. This is all cracked up, but this is the Wet n Wild blush in Berry Shimmer, and I'm literally going to take a little dab and apply that, barely anything on there. And then to blend that out, take the V2 brush. Then I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Lipliner, and this is in the shade Forever Red. Then I'm going to go on in with my e.l.f. matte lip color in the shade Rich Red, and I'm going to apply that to the middle. Last thing I'm going to do is take my BH Cosmetics Bliss Lash and Mascara, and I'm going to apply that to my bottom lashes. Now I'm wondering what my life would be like with you by my side. Am I giving you something? That pretty much completes the look. So thanks for stopping by, and I hope I see you guys soon in my next video.